This video is about managing para swimming. I will explain how you create para events using WPS points and how you create para events using multi-class points. I will also briefly tell you about different print options. So I will show you directly in the Swimify Meet Manager. So let us go to the Events tab. First, it's important to mention that it's always possible to register a para swimmer to an event, even though it's not a para event. But if you want to create an event for para swimmers only, there are two options. We can create the para event where the results will be sorted on WPS points, or we can create a para event where the rank will be calculated on aqua points, so-called multi-class para. So let us start with the WPS points. We go to the new event. We select, for example, a time final event, and we make it to, for example, 50-meter backstroke. Then we tick the para event WPS box. And now this is an event for para swimmers only. The rest of the settings here are then done in the same way as a normal event. Then we need to go to the competition tab and select Open Lookup Tables. We go to the WPS point parameters. And you might already have some tables here. If not, please press down here and you will download them to your computer. Preferably you select the newest one, and here we also have a Swedish version, and the difference between this and this is that in the Swedish version we also get parameters for 100 meter IM and for all 50 meters for sport class 14 as well. We select the Swedish version this time, and this will now be used to calculate all the results. In the sport classes para, you can see all the sports classes and event type combinations that are possible to select in this database. I also want to mention that the functionality for relays will be implemented in the beginning of 2024. So for events with WPS points, we are done with the setup. For the second option, the multi-class para, we go back to the events. We select the new event. We make it a time final event this time also. And we select 50-meter backstroke. Then we need to go to the points tab. We select aqua times. We select import base times. And down here we can import the latest multi-class base times. We press here. And all the multi-class para aqua times will be downloaded to your computer. The multi-class aqua 1000 are sorted by sport class and work exactly like normal aqua 1000 base times, but they are now comparing with the world record for each sport class. And now we're done with the settings for multi-class para. Finally, I would like to say something about result print options. Let's go to the Results tab and to the Print Preview. If you have integrated events, you can select to print just the para swimmers either by WPS points or by class. And down here you can select several events at the same time. When you have para swimmers only, you can use the standard and you will get the results ranked according to the WPS or the aqua points depending on the event setup you did earlier. You can also print by age group, for example, or by competitor name.